where the forecast is going to be.
Oh, hi. My name is Allie, and I'm someone who cares and lives a healthy lifestyle. My day starts with a run. To feel great, I start my day with healthy nutrition. It's not just about food and nutrition, it's about having a healthy home and a healthy environment. There are over 2 million allergens and dust mites that can accumulate in your home just in the span of 6 months. So it's so important for us to breathe better, to live better for ourselves and our families, and to get our homes cleaned. Oh, that looks above. So that's why I trust and I call The Healthy Home to come and service my home to make sure it's clean. Stay safe.